Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Podcast Zone. I'm Sophia, and today we're diving into one of the most useful and practical topics in everyday English: shopping conversations. Whether you're shopping for clothes, visiting a supermarket, or buying souvenirs during your travels, you need simple and clear English expressions to communicate confidently. In this episode, I'm going to teach you the most important phrases, example dialogues, and real-life expressions you can start using immediately. If you're a beginner, don't worry. This will be easy, simple, and fun. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the basic phrases you'll hear in any shop. When you enter a store, the staff usually say, "Hello, how can I help you?" "Hi, can I help you find something?" "Welcome. Let me know if you need anything." Your simple responses can be, "I'm just looking, thank you." "Yes, I'm looking for." "I need help with." Don't try to say complicated sentences. Keep it simple. Simple is powerful. Now, let's go deeper into a real clothing store conversation. Imagine you walk into a clothing shop. You want to buy a t-shirt. The worker says, "Hi, how can I help you today?" You answer, "I'm looking for a t-shirt." The worker asks, "What size do you need?" You reply, "Medium, please." They ask, "What color would you like?" You answer, "Black, please." They show you a t-shirt and you can say, "Can I try it on?" This means you want to test it in the fitting room. After trying it, you can say, "It fits well," or "It's too big," "It's too small." These simple phrases are extremely useful. Practice them again and again. Let's move to supermarket English. Supermarkets are full of useful vocabulary: milk, bread, rice, fruit, vegetables, snacks, drinks, and more. When you can't find something, you ask, "Excuse me, where is the..." "Excuse me, do you have..." "Where can I find the..." For example, "Excuse me, where is the bread?" "Excuse me, do you have almond milk?" At the cashier, you hear, "Did you find everything today?" "Do you need a bag?" That will be $8. Your response is, "Yes, thank you." "No, thank you." "Yes, I need a bag, please." Easy, clear, natural. Let's practice a full supermarket conversation. Cashier: "Hi there. Did you find everything okay?" You: "Yes, everything was fine. Thank you. Cashier. Do you need a bag? You. Yes. One bag, please. Cashier. Your total is $15. You. Here you go. You give money or a card. Cashier. Thank you. Have a great day. You. You too. This is real, beginner-friendly English. Simple phrases, but extremely useful. Next, let's learn English for buying souvenirs or gifts. Imagine you're traveling and want to buy a gift. You can say, "How much is this? Is this handmade? Do you have this in another color? Can I see that one, please? Can I get a discount?" Very useful in markets. If the seller gives a discount, they might say, "Okay, I can give you a better price," or "I can give you 10% off." You can respond, "Thank you, I'll take it." These phrases make your shopping experience easier and more enjoyable. Now, let's talk about polite English. Politeness is very important in English-speaking countries. Always try to say, "Please," "Thank you," "Excuse me," "No, thank you," "Yes, please." If you use polite expressions, people will help you more, smile more, and treat you better. English is not only about words, it's about attitude. Let's practice a full, realistic shopping dialogue. Worker. Hi, how can I help you today? I'm looking for a jacket. Worker. What size are you? You. Large, please. Worker. Do you prefer any color? You. Maybe brown or black? Worker. Sure. Let me show you a few options. You. Thank you. Can I try this one on? Worker. Of course. The fitting room is right over there. You. It fits well. How much is it? Worker. It's $45. You. Okay, I'll take it. This is a perfect beginner conversation that you can use anywhere. Before we end, let me give you Sophia's special advice. If you want to improve your English fast, practice these conversations out loud. Don't just listen, speak. Repeat them every day. Use them when you shop in your real life. English grows when you use it. The more you speak, the more confident you become. Thank you for joining me today on English Podcast Zone. I'm Sophia, and I hope this episode helps you feel more confident when shopping in English. Whether you're in a clothing store, supermarket, or souvenir shop, these phrases will guide you. If you found this episode helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who is learning English. Keep practicing, keep improving, and I'll see you in the next episode.